Dear students, I see students, we will study chemistry today. You are welcome in chemistry classes by KK Singh. For ICC students, today we will study Avogadro's law, but I think that it is better to explain Gay-Lussac law and Berzelius hypothesis before describing Avogadro law. So I have taken first Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law states that actually it is a law of volume of combining volume of gases. Means whenever at constant temperature and pressure, gases react among themselves to produce a gas or vapor. In such situation, these reactant gases bear a simple whole number ratio with themselves and to the product by volume. Suppose whenever hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas, means hydrogen burn in presence of oxygen, it produce water vapor. Here we see that two volume of hydrogen combines with one volume of oxygen to produce two volume of water vapor. It means that the ratio is simple whole number ratio 2 is to 1 is to 2. Means reactant and product reactants and product bear simple whole number ratio 2:1:2. It never be 1 half and 1. It cannot be. It always be 2:1:2. Next, second example, we take when nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas, it produces ammonia gas. Here we see that 3 volume of nitrogen react with 1 volume of 2 volume. 1 volume of nitrogen react with 3 volume of hydrogen to produce 2 volume of ammonia gas. Means here the ratio is 1 hydrogen 1 volume, nitrogen 1 volume, hydrogen 3 volume, ammonia 2 volume. This cannot be less than 1, 3/2 and 1. It cannot be. It always be 1, 3, 2. Just this is the Gay-Lussac law. According to this law, whenever gases combine themselves to produce a gas or vapor, and they do so in volume at constant temperature and pressure. Keep in mind, temperature and pressure must be constant, must be fixed. Then they bear simple whole number ratio among themselves and to the product. Now we will take an example to explain more clearly it. Again, next example, take CO, carbon monoxide plus O2. This form CO2. Oxygen 2 to 4, oxygen 2 to 4. 2 volume, 1 volume, 2 volume. Here 2 volume of carbon monoxide combined with 1 volume of oxygen to form 2 volume of carbon monoxide, the ratio will be 2 1 2. This is also a whole number ratio. This is Galois law. Now we will study Berzelius hypothesis in next video or next day.